Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating your account and linking the platform. Verify email to unlock online features. Next, pick a starter character that matches your playstyle, melee for close combat or ranged for distance. Equip the basic weapon and one healing item. These keep you alive while you learn. Once done, open settings and set graphics and keybinds to stable performance. Lower intensive effects if you see frame drops. Make sure your sensitivity feels natural, because precise aiming matters in Kinfire Chronicles. You now dive into combat mechanics. Practice dodge, block, heavy attacks, and watching skill cooldowns. Timing beats spamming. Spend early level-up points on survivability, HP, armor, or heal efficiency, because staying alive speeds progression. Once you understand basics, experiment with chaining skills for combos. Use heavy attacks to stagger foes, then finish with a skill. Also, use cover and aim for weak points to conserve resources. Make sure to farm easy missions for upgrade materials before tackling harder content. You reach endgame by optimizing loadout. Maximize DPS, add sustain, and keep one utility slot for crowd control or mobility. Coordinate with a squad, assign roles, and call burst windows so you dismantle bosses efficiently. Once prepared, run target raids and focus mechanics over raw damage. Learning encounters beats brute force. If things go wrong, reset talents or swap gear, update GPU drivers, and lower graphical presets to test stability. One quick troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.